Question 2 says that you want to show that triangle ART is congruent to triangle PEN. So ART is this triangle, and we have to show, or we want to show, that this is congruent to this triangle PEN. Then in the first part we have the statement which says if you have to use the SSS criterion, then you need to show AR is equal to what, RT is equal to what, and AT is equal to what. So let's talk about what the SSS criterion is. So to use the SSS criterion, the three sides of one triangle have to be equal to the corresponding three sides of the second triangle. Okay, so AR has to be equal to PE. So let me actually highlight these for you. AR has to be equal to PE. Then RT has to be equal to EN. And then AT has to be equal to PN. Okay, so these are the three equalities that need to be shown to use the SSS criterion. So AR is equal to PE, then RT is equal to EN, and then AT is equal to PN. So these are the answers for the first part. Okay, then we come to part B. In part B it says if it is given that angle T is equal to angle N and you are to use SAS criterion, you need to have RT equal to what and PN equal to what. So angle T is equal to angle N, and if we have to use the SS criterion, then the SS criterion says that two sides and the included angle of one triangle must be equal to the corresponding two sides and the angle and the included angle of the second triangle. So we must have RT equal to EN and PN equal to AT. So these two equalities must hold if we have to use the SAS criterion. So for RT, this has to be equal to EN and PN has to be equal to AT. So these are the answers for part B. Now we come to part C next, and it says in this part, if it is given that AT is equal to PN and you are to use ASA criterion, you need to have what two other conditions. Now the ASA criterion says that if two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to the corresponding two angles and side of the second triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. So in this case, we are given that AT is equal to PN. So if we make the two angle pairs which include this side pair, if we make those equal, then we can apply the ASA criterion. So if we take this angle RAT and EPN, if these two angles are equal, and if ATR and PNE, these two angles are equal, then the ASA criterion can be applied. Okay, so let's write these two conditions. Angle RAT equal to angle EPN if this holds true, and if angle ATR is equal to angle PNE, if this also holds true, then the ASA criterion can be applied. And this is the answer for part C. By the way, an interesting aspect of the ASA criterion is that to apply this criterion, the equal side pair need not be the included side pair between the two equal angle pairs. And that is because if two angle pairs are equal between two triangles, then the third pair will automatically be equal, since the sum of angles in any triangle is equal to 180 degrees. This means, for example, in this case, that instead of these two conditions, so we wrote these two conditions for the equality of angle pairs, and the equal side pair is the included side pair between these two angle pairs. But even if we had taken the second pair of equal angles as, let's say, this pair ART equal to PEN, so if we had taken RAT equal to EPN and ART equal to PEN, if we had taken these two equal angle pairs, then also the ASA criterion could have been applied, since the third pair ATR and PNE, this would automatically become equal if the other two angle pairs are equal. Okay, so The ASA criterion can be applied even if the equal side pair is not the included side pair between the two equal angle pairs. But the answer given in the NCERT textbook for this part is actually these two equal angle pairs, which include the equal side pair. So if this question comes on an exam, I would suggest that you write this answer that we have written here. Okay, so this completes question number 2.
To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.